Okay, the agenda of this video is how to replace the wipers of Camry 2017 model in very cheap in Australia. um, I don't know, it's a super cheap or super scam, the brand we have here, but let's see. I went there and I asked for the wipers and they said it's $37 something for one. If we have to take two, then have to take the set, then it's in multiply two. And to replacing the wiper, it's a $7 for each installation, so it's $14. So overall it's more than $85, say. So say $85 round figure. And I said okay, I came out of the shop and I said okay, let me just check it out by myself. I came out first. I checked on the internet how to remove this. There are lots of videos on internet how to replace the Camry 2017 models wipers, and they will tell you how to put it on the service mode so your wiper will come out, otherwise it's getting stuck here with the hood. To avoid that, you have to put that on the service mode. I'm not going to teach you that, you can check that on the internet. There are lots of videos on YouTube, but the main agenda is how to get it replaced in cheap price. Do we really need to spend $85, or can I get it replaced in cheap price? So first thing was how to replace it by itself, which was quite easy. And you can see there is a small button here like this one. You just press this one and press it and pull the wiper down. You can see it's slided here a little bit. After that you can pull it a little bit more, it will come out. Careful, don't harm your windshield. This was so easy. So immediately I saved the $15 there. I don't know, they are charging $15 70 sorry for $7 each, which is $14 for installation for these two wipers. Then I did a little bit more research on the internet to buy it online with a cheap price. Then I found multiple variants for every car, whatever you want to, on AliExpress and Temu. I know sometimes their qualities are low, but which I bought was just $15 and the quality was super good. Let me show you. This is the one I bought, and it's more beautiful than the present one and the one I was getting in the super cheap, and the quality is really very good. I checked that the wiper and it's really very good. And then the installation of this was again very super easy. The lock is little different here. There the lock was on the bottom, here the lock is on the top. I just opened it, it was like this. You just here just pull it up, doesn't matter, right? Lock or lock, and just put it in like this and push it up and lock it, so it's fit. That's it, and it's working like a champ. I can show you from the inside, so you will see now. Let me start the car. You can see how is it. It's awesome, very good quality, and just in $15 did it my own. No need to go to super cheap or super scam any brand. So you tell me in the comments if you like it, whether it's a super cheap in Australia or the brand is super scam who is charging $85 just for replacing these wipers, though I can do it by own just in $15. Thank you.